Hi everyone, it's Chris from Recast Software here to introduce Application Workspace to you. The Application Workspace Launcher is your one-stop place to launch and get new applications from your desktop. Those preferences will follow you from workstation to workstation. Your IT department can assign you applications that are required for your job and also make applications available for you to install from within the catalog. There are two ways to open the launcher. From your Start menu on your desktop, you can search for or navigate to Application Workspace, or from the tray on your taskbar, you can right-click on the Application Workspace icon and choose Open. Now that we have our launcher open, we can look at our workspace. These are going to be the applications that are readily available to be launched on your machine. If you would like to launch an application, you can just click on the icon and it will open. Or if you are interested in what your organization has made available, you can navigate to the catalog at the top here. From here, we can look through the applications your IT department has made available. If there is an application you would like, you can click on it to see more information and then click the Get button. This will bring the application into your workspace, and from there, you can launch it like any other application that exists in your workspace.